Today, I will be making a video how I got rich. So let's get started, guys. First of all, when I started playing Grow a Garden was before the Easter event was released, because that's when I stopped playing. When I joined, the Easter event was out, and I didn't have any gold stuff. So when I didn't get anything, the Easter event was gone. When it what was the next update? The angry. I don't know. Just we just try to chop. Just keep it that. It was like I'm still like poor until one kind person. It was a boy. He gave me a candy sunflower worth 131 million. I thought that was good enough. But the next update when the eggs were come up, and like one I got a raccoon, two raccoons in like the night owl event. I got a raccoon. But seriously, I got scammed 2 times with the raccoon. I got 2 raccoons, I got scammed. Like a month later, I got a dragonfly. Then I gave it to my cousin for 700 trillion, which is a garbage idea. But when I got another, no. Um, then like the cooking update. What was it called? No, the beanstalk update. I got like the griffin on the first 10 tries with the crate, but I didn't make any trades of it because they thought it was garbage. In the cooking update, no, cooking update, I hatched a French fry ferret. I traded it for a dragonfly. I don't know if it was a W or an L, and my cousin was trying to buy it for another 700 trillion, which I said no. So I traded it for a higher one. So I traded like for one corrupted kitsune and like how many red foxes. That was a big L, I mean. Then I start selling the um, the red foxes for 5 QA, and one bought them for a QA. Oh no. And I forgot the rest. Then I searched for live streams. There I met someone like who was trying to buy who was trying to buy turtles. I forgot the price, but it was like 500 QI, I think. There. And I forgot how I got the golden goose. No, I traded a griffin for a golden goose. Yeah, because I had like 4 griffins at that time. Yeah, so that's how I made the golden goose. So that's like the story how I became rich and stuff. So like, and I found another player who was buying trash pets like raptors, but it must come for a egg for like 10 QI meant, and I start selling my pets to him. Yeah, that's how I became more rich. No, that's how I ended up with 496.966 QI. That will be all for my story. Like that's how I got rich, in Grow a Garden. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See ya, nerds. Joke lang. See ya, guys.